Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for being here. Today we are going to be looking at some tips and tricks on putting on and taking off personal protective wear. But before we start, anyone that is new, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell. That will let you know the next time that I upload. And remember, sharing is caring. So if you like the program, share it with friends and family. Today is a little bit different, but I saw some information relating to how we're taking off and putting on our mask, and I wanted to ensure that you guys are aware of it. So first thing is, in Canada, we just opened up, we did a soft opening, and statistics already show that over 400 cases have been coming up with the virus. It is important to know the sequence and how to put on and take off your mask. So to put on your mask, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use hand hygiene. It doesn't matter which mask you wear, whether you wear the duck mask, the surgical mask, the darted mask, all the procedures are the exact same. If you're coming from home, you want to make sure that your hands are clean. So you have the option of using the hand sanitizer or washing your hands with soap water for 20 seconds. 20 seconds will kill the protein around the virus, breaking it down and eliminating it from your hands or whichever part you're washing. Directly after washing your hands, the first thing that you put on is actually your mask. And so when you're putting on your mask, you hold your mask out like this. Let me put that the right way. You hold your mask out. You take one part of your mask and you put it behind your ears. So let me just go through the demonstration on how you're going to go to the grocery store or leave your home. When you're putting on your gloves, make sure there's no roll-ups. So you know what time it is? It is question time. So today I am wondering, did you guys know some of the stuff on how to put on the mask and the gloves? Let me know. Just comment yes in the description box down below. Now to take off your gloves, you're going to start and you're going to pinch one glove and you're going to pull. And you pull this part down and you see, no touch these. Now the second one, you're going to put your hand in. It's called skin to skin. And you're going to pull this up and then you're going to discard it. question, but I want you to remember something. You have just gone into the store, you have your groceries, you've touched your groceries, all of that stuff with your glove, and then you've put your groceries most likely the back seat or the trunk of your car. When you're going home, your hands are now bare because you've taken off the gloves and most likely disposed of them somewhere. I would have a garbage bag in the car, but then you come home, now you're picking up your grocery bags with those clean hands to the dirty bag. You come home, you put them on the floor, and then what do? Wash your hands, wash your hands. Then from washing your hands, you can take out all your stuff and wipe them down, rewash your hands again, a lot of washing of the hands, and then you go about your day. But remember, we wash all our fruits, we wipe down all of our boxes that come in the house. We're not so much on the washy hands in the house anymore, but we definitely think about what we're doing outside before we come inside, and especially with groceries, how we proceed with groceries from once we buy them at the grocery store. Well, we have come to the end of the program, and I wanted to thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my old subscribers and my new subscribers. A big hello to you. Now guys, we will be uploading again on Tuesday, so I do look forward to seeing you then. But don't forget, if you are new, hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to ding that notification bell. It will allow you to know the next time that I upload. And remember, if you like the program, share to friends and family. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on Tuesday.